Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub OAuth in Flutter mobile apps step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub OAuth in Flutter mobile apps, begin by setting up your GitHub application. Navigate to the GitHub developer settings page and create a new OAuth application. Fill in the necessary details, including the application name, homepage URL, and callback URL. Ensure the callback URL matches your app's redirect URI. Once created, note down the client ID and client secret provided by GitHub. Next, open your Flutter project and add the dependencies needed for OAuth authentication. In your pubspec.yaml file, include the HTTP and Flutter_web_auth packages. Run Flutter pub-get to install the new dependencies. Now, create a new Dart file for the GitHub authentication process. Import the required packages at the top of your Dart file. Define a method to initiate the GitHub OAuth flow. Within this method, construct the authorization URL using your client ID and the defined scopes. Use the Flutter_web_auth package to open the authorization URL in the browser. Once the user logs in and authorizes your app, GitHub will redirect to your callback URL. Capture the redirected URL from the browser. Extract the authorization code from the redirected URL. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to GitHub's token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in the POST request body. On successful response, extract the access token from the response data. Store the access token securely for future API calls. Implement functionality to fetch user details from the GitHub API using the access token. Make a GET request to the GitHub user endpoint, including the access token in the header. Handle the API response to display user information in your app. Finally, test the authentication flow to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Add error handling to manage any issues that may arise during the authentication process. Your implementation of GitHub OAuth in Flutter is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.